good afternoon once again. I believe you're gonna have a nice time. So yesterday we talked about comment, talk about len function, talk about type of comment, the single inline comment, double inline or multi-line comment, and we talk about inline comment. Okay, sorry, we didn't talk about inline comment yesterday, but I'm going to talk about it today. Now, we're going to talk about formatting string. So we can use formatting string for nice things, many nice things, but I'm going to talk about just one of the things that we can use formatting string to do. So let's say we have first name. Let's call our first name Bolaji. Then I'll underscore last name. So this is let's make this one Gabriel. So let's make this Bolaji. So our info. So we have our formatter string. Then curly braces. Close the curly braces. It's a polar. So then let's print it out. So you can see what is formatted string to do. Let's check it out. You can see Bolaji is a baller. So that's one of the nice and cool thing you can use formatted string to do. But now we will now move to Python index. Yes, Python index. So let's say, for example, we have, let me say info also. We have something like, let me say football. Yes, football. Football. Done. So we're trying to print out the first index. So we use square bracket. So let's see how we have. You can see that we have F. So the index of the first letter is 0 in Python. So the next one is 1, and the next one is 1. The T is 2. Sorry, the next one 1, then the third one is 2. So let's print another. Let's put our index to be 3. We see that we're going to print out, we're going to say T outside, because the index of t is 3, the index of f is 0, and the index of o is 1, the second o is 2. So let's check it out. So you can see this is t. So if I have to print out, okay, let's print out -1. So it's going to come from the back side, which is the last letter, L. So L. So when you're naming it back, we start from the L part. So you see it's going to give us L. Whoa. Oh. Okay. Our square brackets is removed. So let's check it out now. So you can see it start from L. Then let's put -2 is going to start from A. So it's reversing it from the beginning. So that's how Python does. So the first letter is 0, second 2, third 3, the index of third letter is 3, index of fourth 4, then B is 5. So let's find out. Let's print out 5. So you see it. See, you can see 5 is 0, but if you say 4, our 5 is A, starting from the front side, but our 4 now, the 4 now is B. So the index in Python, I have a lot of work that you can do, and we can also print the entire. You can print out the entire string by trying to print out so let's just create let me make a football like this. Let's say another message. You can create another one that will. So we can have so this is going to print the entire let's say underscore another message, so MSG. So let's find out. So you can see that. So you can do a lot of cool things with index in Python. So talk about formatting string and index in Python. So I believe, thank you very much. So we see another time. God bless you.